What if a kitten is raised by wolves? 1 week, he's too small, too quiet, and not at all like them. 1 month, he learns to move differently, not a sound, not an extra step. His body becomes more precise. 1 year, he no longer plays, he waits, moves only when necessary. 3 years, he stops meowing, now it's a low sound, almost a howl. 5 years, he hunts with the pack, but faster, sharper, more precise. Final, the pack waits for him. He no longer tries to be a wolf. Now, they try to be like him.